My name's Brandon Barrett. I'm the Vice President of Operations at TurnKey Solutions based in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I would definitely recommend Moovila to any MSP that is looking for the ability to take their project management a step up, more professional, best practice-based project management that they cannot do with their current ticketing system. There comes a point where you are doing enough project work that it's not sufficient to do that anymore. And I think any MSP that's found themselves kind of at that juncture point in their business would really benefit from doing this, because the time savings you get from more efficiently being able to manage projects with this system really pay for it. It fairly quickly establishes your return on investment. Managing our projects directly in ConnectWise Manage, the changes were not efficient. Now with Moovila Perfect Project, it's so much easier to manage those changes. It's so much easier for us to adjust the schedules where maybe there's a particular delay is happening. If we're blocked on something takes longer than we want, we can really identify it at a very specific spot in the project and react to that differently. It also gives us the ability to look back at past projects and help us more accurately quote future projects, because we can see at that granular level that this thing that maybe we budgeted an hour for really took 3 hours, and we can take that into account in the future. The specific time that's saving is a lot of the administrative tasks. It's things like scheduling, rescheduling. So if you have 50 tickets, you have to do 50 actions to make changes. In Moovila, in just a few clicks, you can make changes to those 50 items all at once. That saves us a minute per task. That's easily 30, 45 minutes every time we do that type of change. I mean, we can translate that into real dollars. The other part of it is in reporting. Before, there was a lot of manual information gathering and compiling. Now we can really just get on a Teams call or a Zoom call with the client, pull up the interface to the project, look at it on the screen with them, and communicate that very clearly. We've seen some real savings there as well. There's been a few aha moments along the way. One of the surprises was just everything it looked like it could do when we demoed it, it actually can do. That's uncommon. As far as the things that maybe have come up that I didn't really expect at all, or how easy it was for even the people that have not really gone through the training and gone through the onboarding with us to really just look at it and intuitively understand it. This really is easy to use, and it doesn't take an extensive amount of training. In fact, we were able to start using it within a week. The experience I've had with the Moovila team, just from one end to the other, has really been fantastic. From working kind of pre-sale, trying to understand how it worked, going through the implementation, the initial setup, and the onboarding process was really great. It was more than just using the product. And that's one of the things I appreciate, because we were able to benefit, I think, from his experience in doing this with a bunch of other MSPs and non-MSPs, what works well and what doesn't. I can't say anything but good stuff about the people that I've encountered at Moovila. It's been great. I think it's something that any MSP that has got a strong project management practice that they want to make even stronger should look into it.